The katana panels can be placed in the left or right part of the screen, as well as at the bottom. Additionally, it is up to you to decide whether you want them fixed or free-floating. To resize the panel, drag its corners until the panel's window is the exact size you want. You can change the number of buttons in the panel, their height and width, as well as font size. To customize these settings, click on the menu icon in the right upper corner of the panel and pick Options in a drop-down list. You can configure several panels at the same time without opening settings for each katana separately by using the first, second, or third Options tabs. Your button settings must be set through the corresponding sliders. If you are not able to set a precise value on the slider with your mouse, move the slider to a roughly correct position and use the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard to set the exact value. This method will help you to change values for +1 or -1. The docked mode must be used only if you have docked the panel at the bottom of your screen. When activated, this mode makes a center slider available. The center slider allows you to set the buttons exactly in the center of the screen. The color grid in the Ninja library consists of 3 groups of standard, flat, colors and 3 groups of gradient, grad, colors with a different level of saturation. Using this grid, you can add colors to your buttons to combine them in visual groups. It could help you to navigate in the panel more effectively. Colors are set in the following way. Point at any katana button with a mouse arrow and make right mouse click to open the Ninja library window. If, for some reason, nothing has happened, press Ctrl plus left mouse click for Windows or Command plus left mouse click for Mac OS. Click the Options icon, the last icon in the row, and choose Colors. Point at any color in the grid with a mouse arrow to preview the change. Click on the selected color when you are happy with your choice. When the Ninja library is closed, the button will be of the selected color. To reset the color of a button, open the Ninja library and pick a new color. You can also quickly add the same color to all buttons in the color grid. Press Ctrl for Windows or Command for Mac OS and move a mouse arrow around the grid for a preview. Click the necessary element with Ctrl or Command pressed to save the color. You can add the same color to other katana buttons without reopening the Ninja library by pressing Ctrl plus right mouse click for Windows or Command plus right mouse click for Mac OS. This method allows you to create a color group of buttons quickly and efficiently. You can also divide the button groups visually through setting a border like a divider between the groups. Open a divider window by pressing Shift plus Alt or Option plus right mouse click on the button, which you want to turn into a divider. Click the background color button and drag sliders to change the height or width of a divider. You can set accurate values for sliders by using the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard after you have activated the slider. To quickly form dividers on other katana buttons, press Shift plus Alt or Option plus left mouse click on a necessary button to convert it into a divider. The size of the divider will correlate with the latest settings in the divider window. It means that you need to create just one divider by using the divider window to make this quick transformation possible. As we have reduced the width of the divider, all buttons have moved to the center of the window, creating spare areas on the sides. To get rid of them, drag the left and right edges of the Katana frame towards the center until they are gone. This guide contains many combinations of hotkeys to run commands. To open a detailed description of all hotkeys for Windows and Mac OS, click on the menu button in the right upper corner of the panel and pick Hotkeys Map in a drop-down list. In the next video, we will add various commands to Katana's buttons through the Ninja library.